In this video, we review Tradestation versus Interactive Brokers. Have you used Tradestation or Interactive Brokers before? What was your experience? Leave your Tradestation or Interactive Brokers review in the comments section below. Did you know that Interactive Brokers offers access to over 135 markets across 33 countries, providing one of the most extensive global reaches among brokerage firms? Additionally, Tradestation's proprietary easy language allows traders to create custom indicators and strategies, setting it apart in trading automation. Tradestation and Interactive Brokers are prominent brokerage platforms catering to active traders and investors. Each offers unique features, advantages, and drawbacks that may influence your choice. Tradestation is renowned for its powerful analytical tools and user-friendly interface. Its platform provides advanced charting capabilities, customizable layouts, and a range of technical indicators, appealing to traders who rely heavily on technical analysis. The Easy Language feature enables users to develop custom trading strategies and automate trades, enhancing the platform's appeal to those interested in algorithmic trading. However, some users find Tradestation's platform complex, with a steep learning curve, which may be a disadvantage for beginners. Interactive Brokers, established in 1978, is one of the largest online brokerage firms globally. It offers a comprehensive suite of trading tools through its Trader Workstation, TWS, which includes advanced charting, market scanners, and over 100 order types. The platform's extensive market access allows trading across various asset classes, including stocks, options, futures, forex, and fixed income, making it suitable for traders seeking a diverse portfolio. Despite its robust features, TWS can be overwhelming for new users due to its complexity and data-driven interface. In terms of commission structures, both platforms offer competitive pricing. Tradestation provides two pricing models, a flat rate of $5 per trade for equities and a per-share model starting at 1 cent per share. However, additional fees may apply for account maintenance, data feeds, and platform access. Interactive Brokers offers a tiered commission structure, with rates as low as $0.0005 per share for U.S. stocks and options fees starting around 65 cents per contract. This low-cost model is particularly favorable for high-frequency traders, though the tiered pricing can be complex to navigate. Market access is another critical consideration. Tradestation primarily focuses on U.S. markets, offering trading in stocks, options, futures, and cryptocurrencies. While it provides educational resources beneficial for traders seeking to enhance their skills, its international market access is limited compared to Interactive Brokers. In contrast, Interactive Brokers offers expansive market access, enabling trading in over 135 markets across 33 countries. This extensive reach allows traders to diversify their portfolios globally, a significant advantage for those interested in international markets. Customer service experiences vary between the two platforms. Tradestation is generally well regarded for its responsive and knowledgeable support, available through multiple channels, including phone, email, and live chat. Interactive Brokers has received mixed reviews regarding customer service, with some users reporting slower response times, particularly during peak trading hours. However, the firm has made efforts to improve support by implementing chat functions and enhancing accessibility to representatives. Security is paramount for both platforms. Tradestation and Interactive Brokers are registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, FINRA. They employ robust security measures, including two-factor authentication and encryption protocols, to protect user information. Both are members of the Securities Investor Protection Corporation, SIPC, providing account protection up to $500,000. In conclusion, the choice between Tradestation and Interactive Brokers should align with your trading style, experience level, and specific needs. Tradestation's user-friendly interface and advanced analytical tools make it appealing to traders focused on technical analysis and automation. However, its complexity may pose challenges for beginners. Interactive Brokers' extensive market access and low-cost commission structure are advantageous for active traders seeking a diverse, global portfolio, though its platform may be daunting for newcomers. Carefully assess your trading objectives and preferences to select the platform that best supports your investment goals.